Christmas memory.
Hi Adventure Families from Hollywood Studios.
So after our big day at Disneyland, it was time to visit Hollywood Studios. But before we get started, one thing I would say is I definitely recommend doing a minimum of 2 days at Disneyland.
Yeah, it's quite big. We thought we'd be all right having 2 days, but we definitely agreed a 3-day.
We missed a few things that we would have liked to have done, and I think it's mainly down to the queues. I think a queue jump pass would have been a good idea. Yeah,
definitely. It really slowed our day down, and we were kind of off peak as well, I think, weren't we?
So I think the long queues meant we didn't get around everything we wanted to. So I'd recommend either getting a queue jump pass or doing a minimum of 2 days.
Yeah.
But anyway, like I say, we're on to Hollywood Studios, day 2. Not as big a park. You will get it done in a day. We got it done in a day, didn't we?
Yeah, it's quite small as Hollywood Studios. We actually ended up popping back into Disney for a little bit, but yeah, we did get round Hollywood Studios quite quickly, didn't we? Let's kickstart with the morning. So as you know, we're staying in the Marne Vallee Stay City Resort. It's brilliant for kids. We've got a kitchen, we've got a separate bedroom, the kids have their own beds, and we've even got a bathtub, which was a massive hit for the boys. There's like a massive lounge area, as it is an apart hotel, so it caters for hotel as well as apartment, which we really enjoyed. It also has a free shuttle service that we use to get into Hollywood Studios. But this morning, the cheeky elves delivered yet another letter letting them know that they were heading to Hollywood Studios. Where's it, guys?
What? Another letter?
Number 2.
Number 2, guys.
Number 2. Another letter. Another letter.
Right, what does it say today?
Davis family, 2 days now about a fun-filled day at Hollywood Studio.
What do you reckon then?
Hollywood Studios.
Who wants to go to Hollywood Studios?
Me.
Hollywood Studios.
I'm so excited.
We're on the bus, guys.
We're going to Hollywood Studios.
Where are we going?
Hollywood Studios.
Day 2 of Disneyland. Here we go. Guys!
We're going to Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear!
Yeah! We're going to Hollywood.
Hollywood Studios.
So once we got to Hollywood Studios, we headed to the Toy Story area.
We did. We went straight there, didn't we?
We went on a Slinky ride, which he loved.
Slinky Dog ride was quite good, actually. Yeah.
And the queues weren't as big here, was they?
No, they were a little bit shorter. And also, just to mention, if you've got the Disney app, it's brilliant because you can pop on the app and it'll tell you what the queue times are for anything in the parks or even in the Disneyland parks. So you can kind of look at a ride and think, yep, that one's not got a queue, and then rush over there. So that worked quite well as well, didn't it, Mike? We're going on Slinky Dog. Are you a Slinky Dog all? Yep. Are you scared about Slinky Dog?
No.
No. Daddy, are you scared about Slinky Dog?
What?
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. Oh. You like it? Whee! Yeah.
When Ollie was younger, he was obsessed with cars. Luca's been obsessed with Thomas the Tank Engine when he was younger. Parker's been through a lot of phases, and we're yet to find out what he's really into. But the last couple of weeks, he's been really getting into Buzz Lightyear and the Toy Stories, and Disneyland we found out his favourite is Buzz Lightyear, haven't we?
Oh,
he seems to be obsessed.
So obsessed with Buzz Lightyear, and it was just the cutest thing ever when he finally got to meet his idol.
Yesterday, he went on the Buzz Lightyear ride, or a Toy Story Buzz Lightyear ride at Disneyland, and today he actually got the chance to meet Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, and it was such... Anyway, just watch.
And then we headed over to the Cars area, and this particular ride didn't have a queue at all. We got straight on. We didn't have very high expectations for it, and it blew us away, didn't it?
Yeah, it was really good. Really good.
A big surprise.
I don't know if you've ever been to Disney World, Florida, but they have the back lot, and it was really similar to that ride. Whereas they take you around the back of a movie set, this was taking you around the back of the Cars set. It was really good.
But we won't talk about it too much. We'll just show you.
Yeah.
What should we talk about?
No, just let them.
I think the kids were surprised as well. It actually felt so real. I mean, Parker
was petrified.
Poor little thing. He didn't know what was going on.
He thought it was real and crying because he actually thought it was real. And then it just stopped automatically. Ollie absolutely loved it. He was amazed by it, wasn't he?
Yeah, definitely recommend going on that one.
Caswell, though. What was your favourite when you was younger, Al?
Cars.
It was your absolute favourite, wasn't it?
Beautiful thing. Ciao. Au revoir les amis. Arrivederci.
On reste assis s'il vous plaît, stay seated please.
Scheduled stop here in the canyon. Please remain seated and keep your hands. This canyon is so beautiful and calm. So long about
Before we left the Cars area, the boys loved going on the waltz, this like Cars waltzer type thing, but again, there was no queue, so they went on that maybe 3 or 4 times, just again and again and again, didn't they?
This was right next to Buzz Lightyear as well. The kids just kept going on and off this ride, and they were just loving life, weren't they?
Yeah.
So that was... on the magic carpet Aladdin ride, and we also went to the Monsters Inc. and tested out the screams, see who had the biggest screams, see who had the biggest laughter. That was quite fun actually.
That goes up.
Shower fingers! Whoa! Whoa! Do it again, Parker! Hey, full max for Parker! Parker, are you excited? Are we gonna go high? We're gonna go high. All the way up!
What else did we do? It was Christmas stalls.
In the French area.
In the French
Hollywood
area, yeah.
Studios, yeah.
Ratatouille and all that kind of stuff. And they was doing big crepes and mulled wine and all Christmassy. So we enjoyed exploring that area, didn't we, and sampling some of the bits they had there.
Yeah, definitely. It was nice to go and explore a kind of Christmas market in Disney.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was quite nice.
What got here then, Han?
A couple of mulled wines and 3 crepes.
Ooh. Well, this is the first mulled wine of the Christmas period.
That is so chocolatey, everyone.
So it won't be the last. Oh, get him laughing.
Do you like it, Parker?
The queues were as big in Hollywood Studios. You could probably get away with doing 1.5 days Disneyland,
but
half a day Hollywood Studios.
We didn't do any of the really big rides in Hollywood Studios just because
We didn't do the Tower of Terror because we're all wimps.
I would have done the Tower of Terror, but nobody would come on it with me. And that is the honest
We have
truth.
done it before.
They wouldn't even come on Space Mountain with me, but we won't even get into that. It's all good. We had a really good day.
The Slinky
in Hollywood
ride
Studios.
is about as wild as it gets for us.
For you?
For me. We had a great time. A little bit more relaxed than Disneyland, our Disneyland day. Highlight for me, I would say, is watching Parker meet Buzz.
Same for me as well. That was my absolute favourite. I loved it. And to be fair, watching the other two with Buzz as well, because he was really
And
good.
the cars ride, because I didn't expect it to be very good, and I thought it was great.
Might have gone anything. The cars ride is as wild as it gets. Never mind the Slinky ride. Anyway, we have had a fantastic Disney experience. We've loved every bit, and so have the boys. We just wanted to give you a little recap, but if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like, please give us a subscribe, because you won't want to miss where we're heading next. See you soon.